Hi and welcome to another lecture of chemistry of standard 12th, lecture number 3. Topics are unit cells and its types. Unit cells means smallest particle of lattice. Types of unit cells: simple cube, body centered cube, face centered cube. And number of atoms or corner in unit cell of simple cube is equals to 8 into 1 upon 8 is equals to 1, and number of atoms in face in simple cube is equals to 0, and number of atoms in body centered in simple cube is equals to 0. So total atoms in simple cube is equals to 1. In body centered cube, number of atoms on corner is equals to 1, and number of atoms in face is 0. Number of atoms in body centered is 1, and total atom 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. In face centered cube, 8 upon 1 upon 8 is equals to 1, and number of atoms in face is 6 into 1 upon 2, which is equals to 3, and number of atoms in body center is equals to 0. So total atoms in face centered cube are 3, and 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Next topic, we have learned about efficiency, packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. In this figure of simple cubic lattice, there are two spheres and one R, and one side is equals to A. So A equals to R plus R is equals to 2R, and volume of cube means side cube, which is A cube. A means 2R cube, that is 8R cube. Each cubic unit cell possesses only one atom. So packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice is equals to, according to formula, volume of one atom divided by volume of cubic unit cells multiplied by 100. Volume of one atom formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube and divided by volume of cubic unit cell, that is 8r cube. Packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice is equals to 52.36%. Packing efficiency in body centered lattice. In this figure, in triangle EFD, B square, hypotenuse square, is equals to A square plus C square, that is equals to A square plus A square, that means B equals to root 2 into A. And in triangle AFD, C square, hypotenuse square, is equals to one side square plus another side square, that is A square plus B square. So C square is equals to A square, value of B 2A square, and C square is equals to 3A square. So C equals to root 3A. And C equals to 4R. 1r 2r plus 1r. So C is equals to 4r. 3 under root 3 into A equals to 4r, that is A equals to 4 upon root 3r. This is value of A, that is 4 divided by root 3r. So packing efficiency in body centered unit cell is equals to volume occupied by two spheres in unit cells divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100. Volume of two spheres, that is 2 into 4 divided by 3 pi r cube divided by 4 root 3 r cube multiplied by 100. The value of efficiency in body center is equals to 68%. Now packing efficiency in hexagonal means face centered. In this figure, in triangle ABC, A, B and C, hypotenuse AC square is equals to, which is B square, is equals to BC square plus AB square, that is A square plus A square. So B square is equals to 2A square, and value of B is equals to root 2A. So value of B is equals to 4R is equals to root 2A R. Value of A is equals to 4R upon root 2, and that means A equals to 2 root 2R. So A cube is equals to 2 root 2R cube. Packing efficiency in hexagonal cube, volume occupied by 4 spheres divided by total volume of the unit cells multiplied by 100. Volume of 4 spheres, that means 4 times 4 upon 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. The value of A cube is equals to 2 root 2 r cube. So packing efficiency of hexagonal is equals to 74%. So this efficiency of simple cube, body centered cube, face centered cube. Next time we will learn about defect. Till then, bye.